motivated. Any problems we'll solve it. We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated.
A message from the Ministry of Education.
We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated. Add it up, take it away. These are skills you gonna need each and every day. Mathematics is a must, it's a necessity. It's a fundamental tool dealing with quantities. Telling you, trust me, you're gonna need it. Think critically and you will achieve it. Multiply it, make we activate it. Cause right now it's all motivated. Any problems we'll solve it. We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated.
A message from the Ministry of Education.
We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated. Add it up, take it away. These are skills you gonna need each and every day. Mathematics is a must, it's a necessity. It's a fundamental tool dealing with quantities. Telling you, trust me, you're gonna need it. Think critically and you will achieve it. Multiply it, make we activate it. Cause right now it's all motivated. Any problems we'll solve it. We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated.
A message from the Ministry of Education.
We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated. Add it up, take it away. These are skills you gonna need each and every day. Mathematics is a must, it's a necessity. It's a fundamental tool dealing with quantities. Telling you, trust me, you're gonna need it. Think critically and you will achieve it. Multiply it, make we activate it. Cause right now it's all motivated. Any problems we'll solve it. We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated.
A message from the Ministry of Education.
We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated. Add it up, take it away. These are skills you gonna need each and every day. Mathematics is a must, it's a necessity. It's a fundamental tool dealing with quantities. Telling you, trust me, you're gonna need it. Think critically and you will achieve it. Multiply it, make we activate it. Cause right now it's all motivated. Any problems we'll solve it. We're getting motivated. We got work to do. We're getting motivated. I'm telling you, we're getting motivated. Work out. We're getting motivated.
A message from the Ministry of Education.
A blessed good morning to all. Good morning. A happy motivated Wednesday to one and all. We're going to start this morning's event in prayer. Please stand for prayer by Mrs. Zubaida O'Neill George, teacher at the Ebenezer Thomas Primary School, then followed by the territorial song and pledge. Miss O'Neill.
All right, good morning. Let us bow our heads in prayer. Heavenly Father, I thank you for the gift of knowledge, wisdom, and the ability to learn. Bless every student gathered here today. Grant them calm minds, confidence, focus, and quick thinking as they compete. We also pray for the judges, organizers, and committee. Give them wisdom, fairness, patience, and strength as they carry out their duties today. Bless every teacher, coach, and supporter who helped make this event possible. Help us to all show honesty, respect, and good sportsmanship throughout this competition. Remind us that success is not only about winning, because only one winner there will be today, unless there's a tie. In the name of Jesus. But about growth, effort, and courage. May this event inspire excellence, unity, and a love for math in all of us. In your name we pray. Amen.
We will now have the territorial song and pledge by Ms. Sophia Whitley, student at the Elmo Stout High School.
Out of the huts of history's plain, our ancestors bled and died. But with strength and with power we overcame to restore Virgin Islands' pride. To restore beauty, we devised the plan to retain ownership of your precious land. Educating your people is no golden key to maintain the success of this territory. Oh, how radiant are your daughters, and how wealthy are your sons. Your beaches boast your beauty, and your success is second to none. Green and brilliant are your hillsides, they replenish our hopes and pride. Oh, beautiful Virgin Islands, your qualities can never be denied. Oh, beautiful Virgin Islands, your qualities can never be denied. I pledge to my country, the territory of the Virgin Islands, to encourage national pride and dignity, encourage active service, promote justice for all, be true to God, and remain dedicated to these Virgin Islands.
Please be seated. I'd like to acknowledge the presence of Chief Education Officer, Mrs. Olandit Crabb, Deputy Chief Education Officer, Mrs. Haida Selwood, all the education officers, principals, officials of the competition, our main sponsor, Ernest & Young, the GIS team, teachers, parents, students, participants, and our online guests, we welcome you. Good morning and welcome to the first National Math Competition. Today, 6 secondary schools throughout the Virgin Islands will be participating in a primary Motivated Minds Mental Math Championship competition. Let's give them a well-rounded, deserving applause. Some brief housekeeping rules. Please note there will be no eating or drinking of any form in the auditorium. Some of you have started already, so please stop at the moment. If you want to eat, you can go outside and do so. Turn off all cell phones. If you can't turn them off, please put them on silence or on vibrate. The location of the bathrooms are on my right to the back of you, or you can use, if it's full, you can go into the library and use the bathroom also. We're going to call the mathematics officer, Mrs. Kalila Calwood, Miss Kalila Calwood, to the lectern to give us some brief remarks and updates on the competition.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our first ever National Mental Math Championships for our secondary students. Today, we are about to witness an extraordinary moment as some of the Virgin Islands' finest come together for this historic and highly anticipated event. The atmosphere is charged with excitement as 6 secondary schools prepare strategy, confidence, and intense competition as the students put their mental math skills to the ultimate test. Miss Natasha Malone, Mrs. Shonda Chalwell, and Mrs. Shonda Chalwell, who will serve as our chief judge. Our tabulators, Miss Kellyanne Freeman and Miss Glenda Stevens. And guiding us, Anna Mita. Please join me in giving our technical team a well-deserved round of applause for volunteering their time and expertise to make. Here's the format of the round. Each student will select a question number. The corresponding question will appear on the screen and will also be read aloud. Each student will answer 2 questions in every section according to their grade level. Questions will be answered 1 student at a time, in grade order, and by team succession. The order will proceed as follows. All grade 8 students will answer their first question, followed by all grade 9 students, followed by all grade 10 students, and they will repeat that order for their second question. Once the final grade 10 student responds, that section will conclude and the same will continue throughout all 3 sections. Additionally, each question will be read twice. After the second reading of the question, students will have 30 seconds to respond. Students will be granted a maximum of 2 attempts per question once the time allows and the first answer is incorrect. So be keen to listen to the quizmaster. She will tell you if it's incorrect and you have a second attempt. Round 2, the motivated mouthpiece. This is our team round. This round also consists of 3 sections. During this round, teams are permitted to collaborate. Teams may substitute members before the round begins, but however, once the round has started, no additional changes can be made. Here is how that round will operate. Each team will answer 1 question from every section. The team leader will be the one to select the question number. The question again will appear on the screen and will be read aloud. Teams may discuss quietly amongst themselves. However, only the team leader, seated in the center, may provide the final response for the team. Each team will have 30 seconds to answer each question and will also be permitted 2 attempts, provided the initial answer is incorrect and time permits. Each correct answer for both rounds 1 and 2 is worth 5 points. Between rounds 1 and 2 and rounds 2 and 3, teams will have the opportunity to submit appeals for any question they believe they should be reviewed. Appeal forms are located in your registration packets. Please note, however, all appeals must be made to the chief judge, and appeals must be made before the next round begins. Then we have round 3, our most anticipated round, which is called the rapid fire round. This round is the most thrilling round of the competition. In this round, 1 student from each team will represent their team, so choose your best. All participants will answer the same series of questions, but the objective is simple. Answer as many questions correctly as possible within 1 minute. If a student is unsure of an answer, they may say pass, and the quizmaster immediately will proceed to the next question. To maintain fairness during this round, students from opposing teams will remain backstage while another competitor is participating. Each correct answer in this round is worth 10 points. At the conclusion of all 3 rounds, the team with the highest cumulative score will be crowned the first ever national mental math champions for the secondary division. Should a tie occur at the end of the competition, a tiebreaker rapid fire round will take place. In the tiebreaker round, 1 student from each tied team will represent their school. Competitors will attempt to answer as many questions correctly as possible, this time within 30 seconds. This round will follow the same structure as round 3, with each correct answer earning a total of 5 points. The team with the highest score at the end of the tiebreaker round will be declared the winner. Students, let me commend each of you for your dedication, preparation, confidence, and perseverance you have demonstrated in preparing for this competition. You should all be extremely proud to be part of this landmark event. Today is your opportunity to remain calm under pressure, think critically, support your teammates, and showcase your mathematical excellence. Audience, let us continue to encourage and celebrate all participating schools as they give their absolute best throughout today's championship. Prepare yourselves to get through truly mathavating as our competitors battle for the championship title. Now, let the battle begin. Teachers and coaches, please choose your teams.
Thank you, Mr. John. All right, so we got the formalities out of the way. So we're going to ask the teams to come on stage based on the numbers that you picked randomly. So the 4 shall be last and the last shall be first. So Claudia Cricky, you're contestant number 1. Come on the stage, give her a round of applause to the Sharks, all the way from Anegada. You'll be the first team. Table 1 is in the orange. Give them another round of applause. The second team will be the Rams, the Elmo Stout High School. Team number 3, the Georgians, all the way from Rotown, Pleasant Valley area, St. George's Secondary School, team number 3. We have another type of shark, probably a North shark. We have Siboney, Center of Excellence, will be the 4th team. Siboney has some fans here today. Give another round of applause for Siboney, representing Virgin Gorda. We have the best of VIS all day today, and we have the best motivated students from VIS representing the Bobcats. We have Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies, will be the 5th team. Bringing up the rear, representing the Valley Virgin Gorda, we have BFEC, Brigado Flex Educational Center, the home of the Arabians. They will be team number 6. I do ask Mrs. Mater, the quiz master, to come to the lectern. Let the games begin. May the best team win.
Good morning, everyone. Students, take a deep breath. Some of you are nervous, it's going to be fine. Don't study the crowd. I'm just waiting on the screen to show the question. Are you guys excited? No? You're already winners because you like math. If you're here, you're representing one of the best in your school. Okay, so we're going to begin with grade 8. You're going to pick a number, and I will read the question. Claudia Creaky.
Number 7.
2 to 3 equals 14 to blank. What is the missing number? 2 to 3 equals 14 to blank. What is the missing number?
27.
Try again.
21.
That is correct. Very good, Elma Stout.
Number 4.
Round 0.0849 to two significant figures. Round 0.0849 to two significant figures.
0.085.
That is correct. St. George's Secondary.
5.
5 to 8 equals 15 to blank. What is the missing number? 5 to 8 equals 15 to blank.
24.
That is correct. Siboney. Round 76,841 to three significant figures. Round 76,841 to three significant figures.
$76,800.
That is correct. Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies.
Question 1.
Evaluate 72 divided by -8. Evaluate 72 divided by -8.
-9.
That is correct. Borgata Flax.
Number 9.
-18 minus -11 plus 8. -18 minus -11 plus 8.
15.
Try again.
The correct answer is 1.
That wasn't too bad. You guys did really well. Give yourself a hand. Grade 9, you ready? Claudia Cricky, let's go.
Three.
Hold on.
Three.
Number 3. Round 0.006384 to 3 significant figures. Round 0.006384 to 3 significant figures.
0.6384.
Try again.
Zero point 6384.
Try one more time. Oh, twice. Oh, sorry. I didn't hear the timer. That is incorrect. Sorry.
The correct answer is 0.00638.
All right, ESHS.
8.
Calculate the square root of 25 over 100. Calculate the square root of 25 over 100.
5 over 10.
That is correct. St. George's.
5.
The sum of 2 consecutive even numbers is 22. What are the numbers? The sum of 2 consecutive even numbers is 22. What are the numbers?
$12 and 10.
That is correct. Siboney?
4.
A box contains 8 green balls, 6 yellow balls, and 10 purple balls. What is the probability of selecting a yellow ball? A box contains 8 green balls, 6 yellow balls, and 10 purple balls. What is the probability of selecting a yellow ball?
6 to 29.
Try again.
6 to 25.
That is incorrect.
The correct answer is 6 over 24, or you could have said 1 over 4, or you could have said 0.25.
Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies. It's grade 9.
2.
Calculate 3 over 5 all to the second power. Calculate 3 over 5 all to the second power.
Nine. 9 over 25.
That is correct. Brigade of flags.
1.
The shorter sides of a right-angled triangle measure 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. What is the length of the hypotenuse? The shorter sides of a right-angled triangle measure 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. What is the length of the hypotenuse?
Ten centimeters.
That is correct. You guys are doing really well. Grade 10 is your turn now, Claudia Creaky.
Number 2.
What is the bearing of east? What is the bearing of east? That is correct. Elmo Stowe.
9.
Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degrees. How many sides does it have? Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degrees. How many sides does it have?
5.
Try again.
7.
That is incorrect. Good try. Mrs. Walters. That's fine.
The correct answer is 6.
St. George's.
Number 6.
Convert 3.5 liters to milliliters. Convert 3.5 liters to milliliters.
3,500 milliliters.
That is correct. Siboney.
7.
What is the median of 7.5, 2.5, 4.5, 6.5, 8.5? What is the median of 7.5, 2.5, 4.5, 6.5, 8.5?
4.5.
Try again.
6.5.
That is correct. Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies.
8.
A ship sails due west. What is the bearing? A ship sails due west. What is its bearing?
180 degrees.
Try again.
90.
That is incorrect.
The correct answer is 270 degrees.
Brigado flags.
One moment.
10.
Wait, one, don't change it.
Who was given question number 2, please?
The bearing of east.
What school was that?
Yeah.
Okay, the person who answered the question, you said 90 degrees, but it asked for a bearing, and so you should have said 0, 90, and so for that reason, you cannot get that point. My apologies on that.
So move on, or would we get on? Brigado flags.
10.
The mean of 4 numbers is 10. 3 numbers are 6, 8, and 12. What is the 4th number? The mean of 4 numbers is 10. 3 numbers are 6, 8, and 12. What is the 4th number?
Six.
Try again.
Seven.
That is incorrect.
The correct answer is 14.
We're going to start over, similar round with grade 8. Claudia Creaky. Section 2. No, section 1.
Two.
10 workers can paint a wall in 8 hours. How many hours will 20 workers take?
16 hours.
Try again. I will read it. 10 workers can paint a wall in 8 hours. How many hours will 20 workers take? Larger share is $200. What is the total amount shared? A sum of money is shared in the ratio 3 to
11.
Sorry?
11.
11. Simplify the ratio 75 to 125. Simplify the ratio 75 to 125.
3 to 5.
That is correct. Siboney?
6.
That was chosen previously.
10.
A car travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. How far will it travel in 5 hours? A car travels 120 kilometers in 2 hours. How far will it travel in 5 hours?
300.
That is correct. Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies.
Number 4.
That was chosen previously. Sorry?
I could get 12.
12? 4 to 7 equals 12 to blank. What is the missing value? 4 to 7 equals 12 to blank. What is the missing value?
Twelve to 8.
Try again. Try. You can try. Go. The time is not up yet. Okay, time is up.
The correct answer is 21.
Brigado Flax.
Number 3.
$350 is shared in the ratio 2 to 5. How much is the larger share? $350 is shared in the ratio 2 to 5. How much is the larger share?
250.
That is correct. Mr. John, can we go back so she can see it? Okay, Elmo Stout, the question you answered was not the same question I read. There was an error on the screen. Number 8. Oh, I read 3 to 5. It says 3 to 8. We would like to redo that question. I've been trying to confirm, but I missed that. The end. To what is it? Okay. But that's not going to match that. Okay. So listen to me. Who was the person answering? So listen to me. That's not going to be the same thing that you see there. Okay? A sum of money is shared in the ratio 3 to 8. If the larger share is $720, calculate the total amount of money shared. I will read it again. A sum of money is shared in the ratio 3 to 8. If the larger share is $720, calculate the total amount of money shared.
The correct answer is 990.
We're moving on to grade 9 now. Elmo Stowe. Sorry, Claudia Cricky.
6.
Convert 1/3% to a fraction in its simplest form. Convert 1/3% to a fraction in its simplest form. I didn't hear that, sorry.
1/3.
That is incorrect.
The correct answer is 1/300.
Elmo Stowe.
11.
Right? 7.5 times 10 to the 4th power in ordinary form. Right? 7.5 times 10 to the 4th power in ordinary form.
$75,000.
That is correct. St. George's.
Number 12.
A rectangular field measures 6 meters by 8 meters. What is the length of the diagonal? A rectangular field measures 6 meters by 8 meters. What is the length of the diagonal?
10 meters.
That is correct. Siboney?
10.
Calculate the square root of 49 times 16. Calculate the square root of 49 times 16.
$17.
Try again.
The correct answer is 28.
Viz? Okay, remember, no mumbling, no watching, you make them nervous. And remember, you have 30 seconds to answer. So even if you're not sure, say it, because I would tell you to try again. You could always try again. Okay? Viz?
7.
That too. What is 0.00084 expressed using scientific notation? What is 0.00084 expressed using scientific notation?
Um, 8.4 times 10 to the power 3.
Try again.
correct answer is 8.4 times 10 to the negative 4.
Brigado Flax.
9.
Decrease 60 in the ratio 4 to 5. Decrease 60 in the ratio 4 to 5.
$48.
That is correct. Grade 10, it's going to be your turn. Claudia Creaky.
Number 3.
Convert 1.2 meters to millimeters. Convert 1.2 meters to millimeters.
$120
Try again.
The correct answer is 1,200, or you could have said 1,200 millimeters.
Elmo Stout.
11.
Convert 2,000 liters to meters cube. Convert 2,000 liters to cubic meters.
$2,000 cube.
Try again.
The correct answer is 2 cubic meters.
Number 1.
You ready? What is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon? What is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon?
The correct answer is 540 degrees.
Siboney.
12.
One of two co-interior angles measure 110 degrees. What is the other angle? One of two co-interior angles measure 110 degrees. What is the other angle?
70 degrees.
That is correct. A boat sails 4 kilometers north and then 3 kilometers east. What is the straight line distance from the starting point? A boat sails 4 kilometers north and then 3 kilometers east. What is the straight line distance from the starting point?
The correct answer is 5 kilometers.
Four.
Number 4. A regular octagon has exterior angles that are all equal. What is the measure of each exterior angle? A regular octagon has exterior angles that are all equal. What is the measure of each exterior angle?
$120.
Try again.
The correct answer is 45 degrees.
All right. That round wasn't too good. Let's move on. Forget it. Okay, so we're moving on to a similar round, section 2. We're going to start with grade 8 again. With one of my favorite part of math. You guys could guess? Take a guess. No. There you go. That is my favorite. You're supposed to be feeling relaxed. Whether you get it right or wrong, you try. Don't wait to hit a bell and you try something. Grade 8, Claudia Creaky. 7. Solve for the value of x in the equation 5x minus 20. 1 second. That's not what I have. Hold. There's an error on the screen, right? So listen to me. I'll bring you good luck. It's very similar, but there's an error in one of the numbers. So you're solving for the value of x in the equation 5x minus 20 equals 15. Solve for the value of x in the equation 5x minus 20 equals 15.
7 equals x.
That is correct. I told you I'll bring you good luck. Elmo Stout? Okay. By the way, I don't think you guys realize how good that child just answered that question, because I know some of you still don't know how he did it. We need paper to be able to do this. Page and Mr. Tarmon. He disappeared. Somebody. While we wait, as I look on the stage, one thing that I really like to see is that every school has at least one meal. I always thought that males were better at math. Just a personal opinion. Okay, so we're gonna make a little tweak while we deal with the technical difficulties. We're gonna start with grade 9, Claudia Creaky. So grade 8, we'll come back to you. We needed a chalkboard. So we're gonna do grade 9 and then grade 10, and then we'll come back to grade 8. So you're gonna show the numbers. Claudia Creaky, pick a lucky number.
7.
Simplify 16ab cubed over 8ab. Simplify 16ab to the third power over 8ab. Try.
The correct answer is 2b squared. 2b to the second power.
Yes, HS?
5.
Solve simultaneously x plus y equals 12 and x minus y equals 4. Solve simultaneously x plus y equals 12 and x minus 4 equals 4. Minus y, sorry, x minus y equals 4.
The answer is x equals 8 and y equals 4.
St. George's?
12.
Solve 4, open bracket, y minus 1, close bracket, equals 20. Solve 4, open bracket, y minus 1, close bracket, equals 20.
Y equals 6.
That is correct.
Four.
Siboney?
4.
Simplify x over 3 plus x over 4. Simplify x over 3 plus x over 4.
X over 7.
Try again.
The correct answer is 7x over 12.
This?
3.
Solve negative 2p plus 4 is greater than 10. Solve negative 2p plus 4 is greater than 10.
P is greater than negative 3.
Try again.
No, negative 3 is greater than P.
That is correct. Woo. You have to change the sign because you divided by negative. Okay, sorry. Moving on. Where was I? Brigado facts.
2.
Expand and simplify. Negative 4, open bracket, y minus 2, close bracket. Expand and simplify. Negative 4, open bracket, y minus 2, close bracket.
Negative 4y plus 8.
That is correct. Grade 10, Claudia Creaky. Claudia Creaky.
Number 2.
2. The sum of two numbers is 18, and their difference is 4. What are the numbers? The sum of two numbers is 18, and their difference is 4. What are the numbers?
Eight.
Try again. What are the numbers?
Six.
That is incorrect.
The numbers are 11 and 7.
Elmo Stout.
9.
If x equals 7, find the value of x minus 5 in brackets, x plus 5 in brackets. If x equals 7, find the value of x minus 5 in brackets, x plus 5 in brackets.
24.
That is correct. St. George's.
Number 8.
The sum of two ages is 40. One person is 8 years older than the other. What are the two ages? The sum of two ages is 40. One person is 8 years older than the other. What are the two ages?
Sixteen and 24.
That is correct. Siboney.
7.
Factorize 1 minus 49x squared. Factorize 1 minus 49x to the second power.
One take away 7x squared.
Try again.
Negative 6x squared.
That is incorrect.
The correct answer is 1 minus 7x in brackets, 1 plus 7x in brackets, or in the reverse order.
This?
6.
Factorize 15x minus 20. Factorize 15x minus 20.
One X.
Try again.
Three X minus 4.
That was close.
My heart won't hurt, sorry. It's 5, then in brackets, 3x minus 4. So close.
Brigado Flax?
10.
What is the HCF of 12x squared y and 18x y squared? What is the HCF of 12x to the second power y and 18x y to the second power?
6x y.
That is correct. Very good. We're going to grade 8 now. Grade 8, we're going to start with Elmo Stout because Claudia Quickie already answered a question. You got this. 7.
Number 6.
Number 6. Evaluate AB plus 2A when A equals 5, B equals 4.
30.
I'll read again. Evaluate AB plus 2A when A equals 5, B equals 4. That is correct.
Didn't you say 3?
Oh, I heard 3. That's my bad. That's correct. St. George's.
9.
5?
9.
9. Solve for the value of g in the equation 4g plus 20 equals negative 12. Solve for the value of g in the equation 4g plus 20 equals negative 12.
Negative 8.
That is correct. Siboney?
1.
I want y'all to speak like that, loud and clear. If t equals 5, what is the value of negative 4t squared? If t equals 5, what is the value of negative 4t to the second power?
Negative 100.
That is correct. This?
Number 1. Number 1.
No, he just answered number 1.
Number 4.
That was better. Simplify 10b minus 18 plus 23b minus 10. Simplify 10b minus 18 plus 23b minus 10.
The correct answer is 33b minus 28.
Brigada Flax.
Number 12.
Solve 5m minus 3 equal 2m plus 12. Solve 5m minus 3 equal 2m plus 12.
Negative 3m plus 15.
Try again.
The correct answer is m equals 5.
Okay, so we're going to do this again, starting with grade 8. Claudia Creaky.
11.
Simplify negative 17y plus 10y plus 11 plus 13. Simplify negative 17y plus 10y plus 11 plus 13.
Negative 7y plus 24.
That is correct. ESHS?
Number 10.
Simplify m to the 10th power divided by m to the negative 4 power. Simplify m to the power of 10 divided by m to the power of negative 4.
M to the 14th power.
That is correct. She was confident for that one. St. George's?
5.
Simplify 10x to the 4th power times negative 3x to the 7th power. Simplify 10x to the power of 4 times negative 3x to the power of 7.
Negative 30x to the 11th power.
That is correct. Sebony?
2.
Solve for the value of a in the equation 4a plus 8 equals 28. Solve for the value of a in the equation 4a plus 8 equals 28.
Five.
That is correct. Vis? Vis, are you sleeping?
Number 1.
No, that was chosen already. He liked number 1.
Number 8.
Number 8. Simplify 5 minus 13y minus 30 plus 18y. Simplify 5 minus 13y minus 30 plus 18y. Troy.
The correct answer is 5y minus 25.
Brigado Flax.
Number 3.
Number 3. Simplify b to the power of negative 7 times b to the power of 7 times 5. Simplify b to the negative 7th power times b to the 7th power times 5.
B times 5.
Try again.
The correct answer is 5.
Oh, you guys breathe in. We are moving on similar section, starting with grade 9. I thought we were done. Same section, grade 9. So this is your last question in this section. Claudia Creaky.
8.
Solve 4y minus 7 is greater than 13. Solve 4y minus 7 is greater than 13.
Three y is greater than 13.
Try again.
The correct answer is y is greater than 5.
El Mosto.
Number 11.
11. Simplify 24x squared over 2x. Simplify 24x to the second power over 2x.
12x.
That is correct. St. George's.
10.
I have two questions. Which one? Do you guys have that? Yeah? Okay, so let's do that. Expand and simplify. Exactly. Okay, so listen to the beginning part and then you read there. If j equals 10, find the value of j minus 4 in brackets, j minus 7 in brackets. If j equals 10, find the value of j minus 4 in brackets, j minus 7 in brackets.
3.
Try again.
Nine.
That is incorrect.
The correct answer is 18.
Siboney.
1.
Simplify x to the third power in bracket to the second power over x to the fifth power. Simplify x cubed in brackets to the second power over x to the fifth power.
X5 over x to the fifth power over x to the fifth power.
Try again.
X to the sixth power over x to the fifth power.
That is incorrect.
The correct answer is x.
I wanted her to just stay there like x. This?
9.
9. Solve simultaneously 2x plus y equal 11 and x minus y equal 1. Solve simultaneously 2x plus y equal 11 and x minus y equal 1.
The correct answers are x equals 4 and y equals 3.
Brigado Flax.
6.
Simplify y to the power of 6 times y to the power of 5 over y. Simplify y to the 6th power times y to the 5th power all over y.
Y to the 10th power.
That is correct. Grade 10. Claudia Creaky. You can pick a number now.
11.
Solve simultaneously. Oh, it's on my paper too. Sorry, pick another number. Sorry? They said it's the same question. Yeah. Pick a different number.
5.
5? Solve simultaneously 3x plus y equal 19 and x plus y equal 9. Solve simultaneously 3x plus y equal 19 and x plus y equal 9.
X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 16.
Try again.
The correct answer is x equals 5 and y equals 4. Bree, 1 minute, please.
Okay, where were we? I seriously don't know. Where were we? Elmo Stout. Grade 10. Let's go.
Number 4.
Okay, 1 second. My 16 don't have an A. Read that. I just want to make sure we align. It doesn't. Okay. So there's a little change to that question, okay? So factorize. Read it? Okay, we'll read what's there. Factorize 16a minus a squared. Factorize 16a minus a to the second power.
Four a minus a, 4a plus a.
Try again.
A 16 minus a.
That is correct. St. George's.
Number 12.
Factorize 14m squared plus 21m. Factorize 14m to the second power plus 21m.
Seven 2m squared plus 3m.
Try again and tell me the brackets if you have any.
The correct answer is 7M in brackets 2M plus 3.
Sebony?
1.
Factorize 9a squared minus b squared. Factorize 9a to the second power minus b to the second power.
Three, open bracket, a minus b, close bracket.
Try again.
The correct answer is 3A plus B in brackets and 3A minus B in brackets.
Vis? Sebony, sorry. I'm losing track. Let's go, Vis. You ready?
A little bit.
State the HCF of 15a cubed b and 20a squared b squared. State the HCF of 15a to the power of 3 b and 20a to the second power b to the second power.
5.
Try again.
Five A to the second power and B.
That is correct. Okay, so we have a question for Brigado Flags. We're just going to wait for them to put it up on the screen. Ready? Brigado, you ready? Okay, so the question is, factorize x squared plus 10x plus 25. Factorize x to the second power plus 10x plus 25.
Open bracket, x plus 5x, close bracket, open bracket again, x, take 5x, close bracket.
So close. It's x plus 5 in a bracket and then x plus 5 again in a bracket. Or you could say x plus 5 quantity squared.
Okay, so good news, you're getting a little break. We're gonna do the team section right after 5 minutes, right after 5 minutes. So you will decide who's going to be your team. Do they leave the stage? You can leave the stage, breathe.
The Georgians from Palestina, St. George's Secondary Division. The 4th team, Siboney Center of Excellence. Give them a round of applause. Siboney. One person is participating. Representing Boggers Bay, the Bobcats, Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies. Give them a round of applause. Representing the Arabians, Brigado Flax Educational Center, Secondary Division, or 16. I'll turn it over to the head judge who will give us the scores entering into round 2. So please listen attentively as the scores are announced.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. The scores are going to be announced not in any order of where you place, just your school and your score, right? Okay, so Claudia Cricky Educational Center, you have a total of 15 points after the first round. Elmore Stout High School, you have a total of 40 points after the first round. St. George's Secondary School, you have a total of 45 points after the first round. Siboney Center of Excellence, you have a total of 30 points after the first round. And Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies, you have a total of 20 points after the first round. And finally, Brigado Flax Educational Center, you have a total of 30 points after the first round.
Please give them another round of applause to all the participants. Excellent job thus far. Students, we want to remind you that whoever is the lead person on your team will be the one speaking. So we suggest that you sit in the middle. The person who will be the leader for your team, sit in the middle. So please make the necessary arrangement. Mr. Winter, you're leading your team. All right, so the person in the middle will be the one who will be responding in the microphone. Okay, we wish you all the best. We now welcome Mrs. Mehta, our quiz master, for round 2. If anyone is missing an earpiece, an AirPod, please come to the judges' table. She has one part of it. So if the two does not sync, we will know it's not yours.
Team round, ready to go. Section 2. No. It's algebra. That is it. Claudia Creaky, you guys ready? Pick your lucky number.
Number 7.
Number 7. The total cost of 2 pens and 1 notebook is $7. The cost of 1 pen and 1 notebook is $5. What is the cost of a pen? The total cost of 2 pens and 1 notebook is $7. The cost of 1 pen and 1 notebook is $5. What is the cost of a pen?
The cost of the pen is $2.
That is correct. Elmo Stout.
Number 6.
Solve negative 7x minus 14 is less than negative 21. Solve negative 7x minus 14 is less than negative 21.
One is less than x.
That is correct. St. George's.
11.
Expand 3, open bracket, 2x plus 6, close bracket. Expand 3, open bracket, 2x plus 6, closed bracket.
Six x plus 18.
That is correct. Siboney.
1.
Expand and simplify 2y plus 1 in brackets, y minus 5 also in brackets. Expand and simplify 2y plus 1 in brackets, y minus 5 also in brackets.
Three y minus 4.
Try again.
The correct answer is 2y squared minus 9y minus 5.
This?
9.
9. Factorize 2y squared plus 7y plus 3. Factorize 2y to the second power plus 7y plus 3.
Sorry. The correct answer is 2y plus 1 in brackets, y plus 3 in brackets.
Brigada Flax.
5.
Factorize 2x to the second power minus 5x minus 3. Factorize 2x squared minus 5x minus 3.
The correct answer is x minus 3 in brackets, 2x plus 1 in brackets.
We're going to move on to the other section. No more algebra. This section is about money. You guys ready? Let's go, Claudia Creaky.
Number 7.
A house worth $150,000 appreciates by 10% per year for 2 years. By how much did its value increase? A house worth $150,000 appreciates by 10% per year for 2 years. By how much did its value increase?
$30,000.
Try again.
The correct answer is $31,500.
Almost out.
Number 4.
A furniture set costs $4,550 cash or $600 deposit plus 20 monthly payments of $250. Calculate the interest paid. If furniture set costs $4,550 cash or $600 deposit plus 20 monthly payments of $250. Calculate the interest paid.
1,050.
That is correct. St. George's.
12.
A motorcycle has a higher purchase price of $5,600 and a cash price of $4,850. What is the interest charged? A motorcycle has a higher purchase price of $5,600 and a cash price of $4,850. What is the interest charged?
$750.
That is correct. Siboney?
Two.
A sum of money is shared in the ratio 3 to 5 to 2. If the larger share is $3,250, what is the total amount shared? A sum of money is shared in the ratio 3 to 5 to 2. If the larger share is $3,250, what is the total amount shared?
The correct answer is $6,500.
This?
9.
9. An item costing $5,600 is sold at a profit of 25%. The price is then reduced by $100. What is the final price paid for the item? An item costing $5,600 is sold at a profit of 25%. The price is then reduced by $100. What is the final price paid for the item?
$7,400.
Try again.
The correct answer is $6,900.
Brigado Flax?
10.
A sum of money earns $750 simple interest in 3 years at 5% per annum. What was the principal invested? A sum of money earns $750 simple interest in 3 years at 5% per annum. What was the principal invested? Mrs. Walters.
Oh, sorry. I lost track of the question. My bad. The answer is $5,000.
Okay, so we're gonna go straight into round 3. You guys have to pick who will represent your school. One person. Rapid round. Okay, whoever is staying, you're answering. The rest of you, you may leave the stage. So one person will remain for each school. This is the rapid fire round. Yeah, they could come up. Okay, so we're making only Claudia Creaky remain on stage. The rest of you need to come this way to go to the back. Somebody, oh, Vis. What about Brigado Flag? Okay, Brigado Flag is there. We need a student for Vis. Claudia Creaky.
So we're going into the rapid round. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Minister of Education, Youth Affairs, and Sports, Ms. Honorable Shari B. DeCastro.
Okay, so just to make sure that we all understand, I will read the question only once. If you know it, you answer it. If you want to try, you answer it. If you don't want to answer, you say pass. And I will just move on to the next one. You have 31 minutes to answer as many questions as you can. Okay, so before we start this round, you want to wait? You good standing up there? Okay, I just want to make sure you're comfortable. We will hear the scores before we start this round. The total score.
Okay. So, Claudia Creaky so far has a total of 20 points. Elmore Stout High School has a total of 50 points. St. George's has a total of 55 points. Siboney has a total of 30 points. Vis, or Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies, has a total of 20 points. And Brigado Flax Educational Center has a total 30 points.
Can you please confirm each answer in this round is worth how many points? 10 points. Up to you. I will ask as many as you can during the 1 minute time. Yeah, and you can pass if you really don't know. Okay, so to start this round, we need silence because she has to think. She will say her name, her grade, and then we will begin.
My name is Chanel Vanterpool, Shennelle. Vanterpool, Vanterpool. I'm from Claudia Kiki Educational Center and I'm grade 10.
Timekeeper? Okay, I will begin. 6 to the 0 power.
6.
Cube root of 512.
Pass.
X to the 16th power times x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 12th power.
X to the 16th power?
What is 3.2 times 10 to the 4th power? Round 44.618 to two significant figures.
44.6.
What is the bearing of east?
090.
She said I was fast. Thank you. Okay, you can, yeah. So now we'll have the representative for Elmo Stout High School. You'll come to the middle of the stage with the mic. Oh. So just to make sure, if you do not know the answer, you can say pass. I'm not going to tell you if you're correct or incorrect. I will read the questions and keep moving on, and you only have 1 minute. To start, please state your difficult and the grade that you're in.
My name is Shalia Newton and I'm in grade 8. My name is spelled SHAWNEWTON.
Ready? Let's start. 6 to the 0 power.
1.
Cube root of 512.
May you repeat the question, please?
Cube root 512.
6.
X to the 16th power times x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 12th power.
Pass.
What is 3.2 times 10 to the 4th power?
Pass.
Round 44.618 to two significant figures.
Pass.
What is the bearing of east? -9.
Pass.
Square root 196.
14.
Change 7,150 millimeters to meters.
Pass.
Okay, just to confirm, this run is testing speed accuracy. If you do not know the answer, you can say pass, and I will just read another question. I will not say if it's correct or incorrect. In order to start, please state your name, spell it, and your grade. You can turn the name. You can state it.
My name is Liz Gamboa. I'm from grade 8.
Ready? 6 to the 0 power equals?
Pass.
Cube root of 512.
8.
X to the 16th power times x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 12th power.
Pass.
What is 3.2 times 10 to the 4th power?
32,000.
Round 44.618 to two significant figures.
34.62.
44.618.
44.62.
What is the bearing of east?
90 degrees.
Negative. Good. Whew, even me here nervous. I literally sweating. Siboney's Center for Excellence. This is a rapid round, so I will be reading the questions and moving on. If you do not know the answer, you can say pass, and I will just read the other one. The goal is to answer as many as you can. In order to start, please let them know your name, spell it if needed, and the grade that you're in.
Joy Banaya, grade 9, grade 10, I mean. OGBONNAYE.
What grade are you in? 9? 10. Okay, when you're answering, please be as clear as possible so they can hear your answers. Come in this. Yeah. Ready? 6 to the 0 power equals?
0.
Cube root of 512.
Can you repeat that, please?
The cube root of 512.
225.
X to the 16th power times x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 12th power.
Can you repeat that, please?
You could tell me pass. X to the 16th power times x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 12th power.
Seven.
What is 3.2 times 10 to the 4th power?
3,200.
Round 44.618 to two significant figures. Come. Good job. In the middle. Okay, so this is a rapid fire round, which means I will read the question and move on. I will not tell you if you're correct or incorrect. If you do not understand the question, you can say pass, and we will move on to the next one. Please state your name and your grade.
Corey Winter and grade 10.
That's okay? And speak closer to the mic to ensure that the judges hear your answers. Okay, ready? 6 to the 0 power equals?
0.
Cube root of 512.
Pass.
X to the 16th power times x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 12th power.
Pass.
What is 3.2 times 10 to the fourth power?
Repeat, please.
What is 3.2 times 10 to the fourth power?
Pass.
Round 44.618 to two significant figures.
Repeat that, please.
Round 44.618 to two significant figures.
45.
What is the bearing of east?
0.
Negative 48 divided by 6 minus 9. Very good. We have one final student from Brigade of Flax. In the center. Okay, so this is a rapid fire round. I will read the question and you can answer, you can say pass. I will not tell you if you're correct or incorrect. The goal is to answer as many as you can accurately. Okay, before we start, please let the judges know your name and your grade.
My name is Sean Ramatar. I am in the 9th grade.
Timekeeper? Ready? 6 to the 0 power equals?
1.
Cube root of 512.
Pass.
X to the 16th power times x to the 3rd power divided by x to the 12th power.
Pass.
What is 3.2 times 10 to the 4th power?
$320,000.
Round 44.618 to two significant figures.
Pass.
What is the bearing of east?
90 degrees.
Negative 48 divided. That's it. Good job. You can hold on. That is the end of the rapid fire round. Mr. Todman? Good job, guys. Good job. I would have been passing.
Give a round of applause to our quiz master, Mrs. Mater, for an excellent job this afternoon. We want to ask our minister to give us some remarks at this time. Please welcome her to the stage as she gives us some remarks. Honorable Shari B. DeCastro.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Let me take this opportunity to acknowledge my team from the Ministry of Education, principals, teachers, students, well-wishers, sponsors for today, Ernst & Young. We're happy to be here at the Force Mental Math Competition. Yesterday we would have had our primary category, and today we have the secondary category. So I want to acknowledge all of the schools present, both public and private schools. And I want to take this opportunity to explain that the Ministry of Education understands that we have to do more in terms of our mathematics development. in terms of instructional quality through professional development opportunities with our teachers, through the Motivated project from the primary level. We have been engaged in a series of professional development opportunities to ensure that teachers are confident in teaching mathematics, thereby ensuring that students become comfortable and confident in learning mathematics. And of course, this transcends to the secondary level as well. I must admit, my favorite subject in school was, guess what? Anybody could guess? Not maths at all. My favorite subject was English. I studied English and literature. I came back and I taught English and literature. So I am not good at mathematics, I must admit. Sometimes, most people, you get one or the other. It's very rare that you're extremely good at both. So one of the things that I want to say is, I think because of some of the challenges inherent, not just to the BVI, but to the region, is that we have developed a sense of fear in relation to mathematics from the teacher level as well as the student level. And we have to do more to ensure that we develop the right competencies to be able to support the development of mathematics skills. And so we, from a ministry perspective, will do everything we can. The results from our local and regional examinations show that we have some work to do. And with the professional development that we've been undergoing, we have seen some increase in terms of the development and acquisition of skills. But we must admit, as much as we sit in terms of the higher end of the regional standard, by no stretch of the imagination are we comfortable with the current percentage in terms of pass at any level. So we are invested in ensuring that we do more, and initiatives and activities like this is our way to be fully transparent, but also to champion mathematics education across the territory. So let me end by acknowledging the team at the ministry, specifically the Education Officer for Mathematics, Ms. Calwood, as well as all individuals who would have come forward and stepped forward. Let me end by acknowledging the students. I am certain that it was nerve-wracking, especially in that last round, being able to deliver the way that you did, but you are all winners just by showing up. And I'm hopeful that as you continue to develop, we'll see even greater things coming from each and every one of you. May the best team win. God bless you. Thank you.
We ask our Math Officer, Ms. Kalila Calwood, to give us a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. You guys can exhale now, right? What an exciting day today has been. Give yourselves a round of applause. So as we bring this remarkable event to a close, it is both a privilege and a pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for the inaugural Motivated Minds Mental Math Championships for Secondary Division. Today has been a true display of talent, perseverance, collaboration, and academic excellence. Throughout this competition, our students demonstrated confidence, resilience, quick thinking, and exceptional mathematics skills. Most importantly, they embraced the spirit of being truly motivated. Motivated to think critically, challenge themselves, and excel through the power of mathematics. So I give you a round of applause for that. On behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to express sincere appreciation to the Ministry of Education, Youth Affairs and Sports for its continued leadership, support, and commitment to academic educational excellence. A special thank you to the Minister, Honorable Shari De Castro, for her remarks and for assisting with the distribution of awards, which will come up very shortly. Also, thank you to our Acting Permanent Secretary, Mr. Claude Kettle, Chief Education Officer, Mrs. Olanet Crabb, Deputy Chief Education Officer, Mrs. Haida Selwood, other education officers, and staff who assisted in one way or the other. We are deeply grateful to our generous sponsor, Ernst & Young for your valued partnership, unwavering support, and investment in the academic growth and success of our students. Thank you for helping to make this historic event possible and for your continued commitment to education and youth development in the Virgin Islands. Special recognition must also be given to our dedicated technical team. Our judges, Ms. Shini Siletsam, Ms. Natasha Malone, and Chief Judge, Mrs. Chanda Walters. Our timekeeper, Mrs. Afia Smith. Our question board operator, Mr. Theodore John. Our tabulators, Ms. Kellyanne Freeman and Ms. Glenda Stevens. And our outstanding quizmaster, Mrs. Brianna Mehta. Thank you. Your professionalism, dedication, and hard work ensured that today's competition was conducted smoothly, fairly, and successfully. I would also like to acknowledge and sincerely thank those who assisted with the vetting and preparation of the competition questions. Your expertise and support played a vital role in maintaining the quality and integrity of this event. We truly appreciate the time and effort you contributed despite your busy schedules. A heartfelt thank you goes out to the following: Miss Stephanie Christian Williams, Mr. Theodore John, and Mr. Kieran Todman for their creativity and technical expertise in preparing the visual displays for today's competition. Your efforts added greatly to the professionalism and overall experience of the event. To our host, Mr. Kieran Todman, thank you for your enthusiasm and excellent facilitation throughout today's program. Your energy helped to keep the audience engaged and the event flowing seamlessly. Sincere appreciation is also extended to Dr. Richard Georges for the use of the auditorium, and to Ms. Ria Durant and Ms. Alice Ham of HLSCC for their support, coordination, and assistance in helping to make today's event possible. Thank you to Mr. Abu Penn and his team for their technical support and providing song and audio services throughout the competition. Your efforts helped to ensure the smooth execution of today's program. Thank you to GIS and the communication team for their continued support, professionalism, and invaluable assistance in helping to ensure the success of today's event. We also acknowledge Mrs. Zubaida O'Neill George for the opening prayer and Safia Wheatley for the beautiful rendition of the territorial song. To our teachers, coaches, parents, volunteers, and all support staff, thank you for your countless hours of preparation, encouragement, and support provided behind the scenes. Your dedication and commitment were instrumental in the success of this championship. Finally, to our students, thank you. Thank you for inspiring us with determination, preparation, confidence, and a willingness to participate in this inaugural competition. You have truly made this event memorable. Continue striving for excellence, continue believing in your abilities, and most importantly, continue to stay motivated. Thank you all once again for your support and participation. We look forward to continuing to build on the success of this competition and creating even greater opportunities for our students to shine as outstanding, motivated minds. Thank you and have a pleasant good afternoon.
At this moment, we would like to have all of our participants, all four, to come to the stage and sit where you were seated earlier today. So we're asking all schools to come. All 6 schools do come. We would like also Ms. Letsom to join us on stage for the presentation of the awards. Give them a round of applause. Did an excellent job. So each student will be receiving a medal for participating in today's event. Someone is missing from this. 23.
A message from the Ministry of Education. We getting motivated. We got work to do. We getting motivated. I'm telling you, we getting motivated.
Young man, let the ladies sit, please. I have to teach you that.
Trust me, you're gonna need it. Think critically and you will achieve it. Multiply it, make we activate it. Cause right now we so motivated. Any problems we'll solve it. We getting motivated. We got work to do. We getting motivated. I'm telling you, we getting motivated. Work out. We getting motivated. A message from the Ministry of Education. We getting motivated. We got work to do. We getting motivated. I'm telling you, we getting motivated. Work out. We getting motivated. Add it up, take it away. These are skills you gonna need each and every day. Mathematics is a must, it's a necessity. It's a fundamental tool dealing with.
Welcoming Ms. Letsam and Honorable De Castro to present the award. Fourth place. Each participant will be receiving $125 to deposit into their bank account as a starting account. Young man looking at me full in my face. We have a tiebreaker for fourth place. Representing the Bobcats, Virgin Islands School of Technical Studies with 30 points, and Siboney Center for Excellence for fourth place, both receiving 30 points for fourth place. Please come to the stage, Siboney and Viz. All participants will be receiving $125 to start a bank account at CIBC.
A message from the Ministry of Education.
Give it up to the Sharks and the Bobcats.
Trust me, you're gonna need it. Think critically and you will achieve it. Multiply it, activate it. Cause right now we so activate. Any problems we'll solve it. We getting motivated. We got work to do. We getting motivated.
In third place, we do not have horse racing, but we have the Arabians from Brigado Flax Educational Center, who will be receiving $200 to start their account. Brigado Flax Educational Center, Secondary Division, third place with a total of 40 points, representing Virgin Gorda. Republic Bank, they are the sponsors for this round, or for all. All the accounts will be at Republic Bank. In second place, very, very close, very, very close, very, very close. like a variable next to a number. Very close. Very close. With 80 points, representing Rams Nation, we have the Elmo Stout High School, who will be receiving $350 at Republic Bank to open the account. Elmo Stout High School, home of the Rams. By a difference of 5 points, this team received 85 points, and all the Saints went marching in. Goes to no other than St. George's Secondary School, with a total of 85 points, is the 2026 Motivated Mental Maths champions, first ever. They'll be receiving $500 to start their account at Republic Bank. Give them a round of applause. Please note, each participant will be receiving $50 also to open their account. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a pleasure, it was an honor to be hosting this event. We want to congratulate I forgot what I was saying now. Thank you for coming. God bless. Be safe. We want a picture with everyone before we leave. Thank you.